53 years. That's how long New York waited for this moment. And now that they got it, the hardest part starts. I'm Kato from the Scared Shmoney Gang, and I need you to understand something the Knicks front office already knows. Winning the championship was the easy part. Keeping what you built, that's the real game. When the season ended, the Knicks were sitting $10 to $13 million under what's called the second-apron. That's a luxury tax line the NBA uses to punish teams that spend too much. What is the second-apron?
The NBA has a spending limit called the salary cap. Teams can go over that, but once they cross about $208 million, the second apron hits. The second apron is like a punishment zone. Teams cannot trade for multiple players, cannot use mid-level deals, cannot sign buyout players, cannot send cash in trades. And worst of all, your future first-round pick gets frozen. Once you are over that line, you are stuck. You cannot improve your team, cannot make moves, and it costs you millions in taxes.
James Dolan, the owner, made it clear. They are not crossing that line. Not yet. Now here's why that matters to you, sitting at home, no championship ring, just trying to keep your lights on. Dolan could spend more. He's got the money. But discipline isn't about what you can afford. It's about what keeps you flexible when the next crisis hits. That's a budget line. That's an emergency fund. That's you saying no to the upgrade you could technically afford, because you know what's coming next season of your life. Now let's talk about the guy who made this whole run possible. Jalen Brunson has shown he'll take less money if it helps the team win. Meanwhile, guys like Mitchell Robinson walked, took a deal in Boston instead of a hometown discount here. Two different philosophies, both valid, both teach you something. Robinson said, "My value is my value. Pay me what the market says I'm worth." Brunson said, "I'll sacrifice now so we can win bigger later." Neither one of them is wrong, but you better know right now which one you are with your money. Are you the type who holds out for what you're worth, or the type who sacrifices short-term for long-term freedom? Here's the part nobody's talking about. Right now, New York is buzzing. Championship gear everywhere. Hats, jerseys, limited editions, and every fan feels the pull. That pull is the same pull that hits you after a good month. Bonus check comes in, raise hits, side hustle pops off, and instead of building, you buy the celebration. The Knicks front office isn't signing every player available just because they can. They're being selective, strategic, thinking about next year, not just this parade. You have to parade-proof your money too. Celebrate, you earned it. But don't let the moment write checks your future can't cash. If a billionaire isn't willing to blow the budget, then you shouldn't be willing to either. 53 years of waiting taught this city patience. Don't let one championship summer teach you impatience. Whether it's an apron line in the NBA or a budget line in your bank account, the discipline is the same. Stay under the line, stay flexible, stay free. Scared shmoney don't make none. I'm K-Do. I'll see you in the next one.